Every year, thousands of foreigners buy homes in Mexico. Yet most of them start with exactly the same question: can foreigners actually own property in Mexico? The short answer is yes. Buying property in Mexico is completely legal for foreigners. In fact, thousands of international buyers purchase vacation homes, retirement properties, and investment condos every year. The Riviera Maya has become one of the world's favorite destinations for international buyers. Warm weather all year, beautiful Caribbean beaches, lower cost of living, excellent health care, direct international flights, strong vacation rental demand. That's why so many people decide to make this region their second home. Here's where many people get confused. Mexico has what's called the restricted zone. This includes land located within 50 kilometers of the coastline and 100 kilometers of international borders. Since almost all of the Riviera Maya is inside this zone, foreigners purchase property using a legal structure called a bank trust, also known as a fideicomiso. The word fideicomiso may sound intimidating, but it's actually very simple. A Mexican bank holds the title as trustee, while you remain the full beneficiary. That means you can live in the property, rent it, remodel it, sell it, pass it on to your heirs. The bank does not own your home, it simply acts as trustee under Mexican law. One of the biggest myths is that the bank owns your property. That's simply not true. You have full control over your investment. The trust exists only to comply with Mexican law while protecting your ownership rights. So, how does the buying process work? First, you choose the property that fits your lifestyle and goals. Then, your offer is accepted. The legal review begins. The bank creates the trust. Finally, the closing takes place before a Mexican notary public. Most transactions are completed in 30 to 90 days. Many buyers also ask, do I need Mexican residency? No. Can Americans buy property? Absolutely. What about Canadians? Yes. Can I leave the property to my children? Yes. The trust allows you to designate beneficiaries. Buying property in Mexico is about much more than real estate. It's about creating the lifestyle you've always imagined. Whether you're looking for retirement, a vacation home, or an investment property, choosing the right community is just as important as choosing the right property. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.